my legs more. This time we're going to put it all together before we go back to the van and take a break. All three of these doubles. Shift it to third. Grab the inside. First, second, third. I put them together. Good enough. Starting to get tight now. Gotta go back to the van for a minute. See Brandon. I don't see him. There he is. I see him now. Nothing like tearing up the pits, kid. Quads, man. Do every one of those things. Look at it, now they're tearing up the guy's gravel. What a bunch of squids. Now he's tearing up the pits. That must be Squid Row over there. Yeah, so just some afterthought after that first long session out there. I'll check it out. Here's the guy that's been spinning up the gravel. Cool guy. You put everything together, it is pretty fun. It does have some flow. You can tell the quads, it's just sad. You can tell the quads have just been eating at it. And it's already getting dusty. Quads are already taking all the soil off the top. It's sad. Like, I think the quads are truly killing this sport more than they help it with the sales of units and sales of parts and gear. I think they hurt it more by just destroying what few tracks we have for the MX guys like this. It's really sad. Sucks. Definitely big thanks to Huffman Hills for the facility up here. It looks like they got a lot of work going on, and they're trying to make a really nice place up here. And with the spot they have and the elevation changes they have, and it looks like they have the equipment they need on hand and plenty of room, this could be a top track in Ohio if they could get the watering and the prep done and outlaw every quad from ever stepping foot on the property. But yeah, thanks to Huffman Hills. Got something cool going on here.